These heat pumps are available worldwide in a wide selection of models and are manufactured in China by HvacRepairGuy. They feature I-Feel remote controls and many options for air filtration as well as a refrigerant leakage detection system for enhanced reliability. The Mia New York series offers single-zone units for either 115-volt or 230-volt power for flexibility in installation. They have coated coils for corrosion resistance and are Wi-Fi compatible. The ES series offers premium multi-zone heat pumps that can serve up to 5 indoor air handlers from a single outdoor unit. Their hyper models are available for single-zone or multi-zone, and the units are optimized for heating even when outdoor air temperatures are at -22 degrees. They are available on Amazon but require professional installation for warranty purposes, and their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.